Hi. So this is my chicken here, whole chicken. I washed it properly. Yes, if you don't wash your chicken, that's your choice. I washed it. I took out all the sweetbreads that it's called sweetbread, but those little red things that are in the back of the chicken. Yeah, and I proceeded to start seasoning. All right. So these are the seasonings that I have been adding to it here, and I also added some fresh seasoning. I blended finely thyme, spring onions or chive with garlic and ginger, and so that's the green part of it you're seeing here. And just I took the knife and I made some piercings so the seasoning would get down inside properly. Yep, so I'm just going to put it in the refrigerator. I'm going to leave it to marinate overnight, and then we'll come back and put it to bake. Yeah. All right. Our chicken is properly well marinated from last night. So I'm going to transfer it to a deeper pan here now. A deeper tray. Yep. There you are. And I'm just going to put all this goodness into it here. I'm not going to let anything waste. So my oven is preheating at 340, and I'm going to let it bake for about 45 minutes. Then I will check, and if it needs to go back, it's going to go back for about 15 to 20 minutes after that. Yeah. Okay, so let's put it to bake now. Okay, 45 minutes has gone, and our chicken is coming along nicely. I'm just gonna baste it now with whatever juices came out to give it a little more color. See here, it's already getting a bit crispy, and I'm just gonna put it back for about 10 to 15 minutes. Yep. I don't want to be the man's. Yep. Okay, it's cooked. It's all cooked nicely. I'm gonna put it back for a few minutes now. Okay guys, so here's our nice juicy tender baked chicken. Yep. I can't wait to dive into this. So look at here. Are you seeing? Yeah, let me turn it a bit. Yep. Nice and juicy, all cooked, tender. I don't eat chicken skin, so I'm gonna remove it. Yep. Okay. It's quite nice. Get some of that sauce in there. So I'll see you guys in another video. Bye bye.